Hi, I'm Jared with CODI Manufacturing, and we're at the Modex 2026 in booth 9127 with Festo America, and this is...
I'm Brad Schultz. I'm the Interlogistics Industry Segment Manager for North America, and yeah, CODI's a large customer of ours, and very happy for them to bring their machine into our booth.
What do we got going on?
So today we're showcasing a completely Festo machine utilizing the Festo CPX controllers. A lot of monitoring in this, integrated controls using the HCOs and a lot of the IO links. So this machine is very intuitive. It has a lot of feedback coming back. So we're keeping track of just about everything that's going on here. And that's all natively out of the Festo platform. What's unique about that in this whole situation is the amount of time it took us to program and do this integration was almost minimal to no effort. So versus typical other styles of palletizers, the CODI Flex Stack is going to allow us to be a lot tighter footprint. We're going to see a lot more of the industrial robot performance, but we're going to maintain a cobot-level pricing structure. So the Cartesian coordinate programming on the gantry system allows this to repeatedly place and do various box patterns. Utilizing their online platform, we can actually do different pallets based on your products, and you just enter them in there. When it comes to the Festo components, Brad can speak a lot better to those of what's integrated on this machine.
Yeah, so this is part of the Festo palletizing kit. Part of our range to install solutions like HGO, Handling Guide Online. You can go on to our website. You can configure your Cartesian gantry system, and 15-20 minutes you have a full drawing that you can put into your layout. So and very intuitive, very quick, and really helps in decreasing your engineering time.
We particularly find a lot of value in the HGO online. And the Handling Guide Online is essentially a platform that allows us as the OEM to go on, specify the loads and the movements and the speeds, and it sizes and programs all the servos. So it natively brings all that data in, so our programmers are spending less time utilizing conventional programming methods, and we're able to bring it in and implement it in machines very quickly.